What's up everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is in collaboration with the perfume subscription company SCENTBIRD, and we're bringing you my top 5 modeling related beauty hacks with a twist. And that twist is these 5 hacks are going to relate directly to your 5 senses of your body. So sight, sound, smell, touch, and taste. Before we get this video started, make sure you hit the subscribe button wherever it resides on my channel. I think it's over here. Actually, it may be over here. I don't know. And turn on post notifications because I don't need you guys missing my videos. So, we're gonna get this video started and let me share with you guys my top 5 modeling related beauty hacks. So the first sense that we're gonna talk about is your sense of sight. This beauty hack is gonna be related to your eyes, if you couldn't guess. And I'm gonna tell you guys how I remove my eye makeup and make my eyelashes grow all in the same swipe. We all know, if you've ever been on a photo shoot, you get a lot of mascara put on you, all types of things get piled onto your eyes. So I found that for the best way to get your eyelashes clean gently without damaging them is using something like an oil to remove the makeup. What I normally do to remove my eye makeup, I use vitamin E oil. What do most eyelash growth serums have in them? Vitamin E oil. So I've been doing this for like maybe a year or 2 now, and my eyelashes have grown so much. What I mainly will do is I'll take a cotton round like these ones here, and I'll dab some vitamin E oil on it, and then I'll take the cotton round and just kind of pat it into my eyelash, and then I will take like one direction swipe and the majority of the mascara will come off. And then if there's still residue, I'm not tripping on it. I usually take a shower, wash my face in the shower. I just go back again with my cotton round and just wipe the rest off, and it comes off so easily. Another way you can do it is take something like a Q-tip, and what the Q-tip does really well is that you can get really close to the lash line of your eyelashes, and you can have a more controlled removal that way. The oil helps the mascara slide off instead of, you know how if you're using a makeup wipe, you're doing this and you're kind of just like rubbing your eyelashes and they kind of just come off. And it takes so much effort, and you use so many makeup wipes, and you're kind of wasting money. So the next sense of the body that we're going to talk about is your sense of smell. And if you couldn't guess, we're going to talk about SCENTBIRD here. I briefly touched on it before, but SCENTBIRD is a perfume company that sends smaller versions of, you know, the full bottle of perfume to your home monthly. Since I'm a model, and particularly I am a fitness model, I'm running from left to right, going from photo shoot to a casting, to a job, to a workout, back to another casting. So it's awesome to have something like SCENTBIRD in your arsenal, because not only does SCENTBIRD have an array of perfumes that you can choose from, I think up to like 450 different top of the line designer perfumes that they pair with, but they come in a portable travel friendly sprayer, which makes it so awesome, and it's actually really easy to use. All you do to access your fragrance is twist it up as if it was like a lipstick container, and twist it counterclockwise to twist down. When you twist it up, the spray nozzle is right there, and you just... And I've been trying out a few scents, but the one that I've been loving the most and that I got this month is Glossier You. Pop it out if you want to replace your scent with your particular travel container. You just pop it back in and then twist it back down. So easy to use. The packaging is pretty much indestructible. It's super sleek and super cute with their design. If you're someone like me who loves scent and you think like trying out new scents and just smelling good is important, you can kind of, you know, dip your toes in the water before you commit to the full-size bottle of perfume by just trying out different ones like this one. This is Malin & Goat's Bergamot, which is super clean and light, which is a great departure from my Tom Ford Black Orchid, which is very sexy. And because there's so many options and they give you a fair amount of perfume when you try it out, you get, what is it, 8 milliliters, so 0.27 fluid ounces of each fragrance, which is far better than what most sample size fragrances give you. This should last you at least a month, or if not more, to be completely honest. Trying this out for only $14.95 instead of spending what, like upwards of $300 to $400 on some really expensive perfumes, you're saving yourself so much money, so much time, and so much effort, especially because shopping in stores for perfume can be kind of hard, because after a while of like smelling different perfumes, they all kind of start to smell the same and you get a headache. Well, I know I do. But shopping on their site to pick out your perfume is so easy because they have all the perfume partners that they deal with listed out, and the perfumes that they have available listed too. And they offer recommendations. SCENTBIRD has the option now where you can upgrade your account to get more than just one fragrance sent to you a month. You can have 3 sent to you a month like I did. Or now that they have skincare, you can actually have maybe like 1 skincare option and 1 perfume, something that pairs well together. So don't be afraid to check out SCENTBIRD. It's really easy to travel with. It goes so well inside your purse or your makeup bag. Like honestly, it's like the size of like a lipstick or something. And to put the cherry on top of the icing, there's free shipping and you can cancel your subscription at any time. So check out the website. I'm gonna be leaving a coupon code down in the description box for 25% off, so go ahead and click that link, check it out, and let's move on to the next beauty hack. The third beauty hack that we're going to be talking about is going to be related to the sense of taste. Well, we're going to be talking about your mouth and your oral hygiene and the whitening of your smile. So what I'm talking about is brushing your teeth with activated charcoal. It's like a really dark, black, really airy powder, and how the science behind it essentially works is that through the process of activating this charcoal, it becomes very, very porous and it adsorbs the toxins that are in your mouth. It pulls them in and binds them to the charcoal, right? And what that does is helps it so that it cannot be reabsorbed or restain your teeth or reabsorbed into your body. And usually if you're doing this, you want to use activated charcoal from natural things. Do not use charcoal that you put on your grill. This is actually quite fun to do. It's really messy and it's kind of creepy looking, but you just dip your toothbrush in it, like a wet toothbrush, and pretty much brush your teeth like you do toothpaste. I've been doing it off and on for like a year or 2, and I like to think, that my teeth look pretty good. And if you're someone who doesn't have access to dental care or health care, this is a great way to supplement that, because not only does it improve your oral hygiene, it prevents getting things like gingivitis and other infections in your mouth, and it helps whiten your teeth. Beauty hack number 4 is going to be related to the sense of touch. And what we're going to be talking about here obviously is your hands. Now a lot of people don't think about this when they first get into modeling or acting, but your hands are very important. Now I can't tell you how many times I've gone to a casting where I've gone through the whole casting shenanigans where they ask me to slay and then they say, "Can you show us your hands?" And you have to do this. And I'm telling y'all, they zoom the hell in on your hands and your nails. So what I've been doing is actually making kind of like a little mask treatment for my nails. Now this is a mask you can either wash off or leave on depending on how you apply it to your hands. It has 3 main ingredients that have great benefits to your nails. The first ingredient is honey. Now honey is a humectant, and what this means is that it draws in the moisture that is in the air surrounding it, so it helps your nails stay moisturized. Next up, you're using something called coconut oil. Coconut oil is antimicrobial, antifungal, and it has so many awesome benefits to keep your nails from breaking or getting, discolored. It keeps them great and shiny. And lastly, you add in a couple drops of lavender oil. And lavender oil does an amazing thing of strengthening your nails. So it's really easy to make this mask. You literally just mix in 1 part honey, 1 part coconut oil, and a couple drops of lavender. You can either use an old nail polish bottle and literally apply it to your nails like you would nail polish, or you can use something like a Q-tip. You can kind of just apply it that way and buff it into your nails that way. And either you can rinse it off or just leave it. I normally just leave it on there. So once you make this treatment or mask, it's best to just store it in something that's like a air-sealed container, because it has natural ingredients, real-time ingredients that will expire after a while. And I've noticed such a difference. My nails are so shiny and really strong from all the beneficial properties of each ingredient. And that just leaves the sense of sound. We're gonna be talking about your ears. Sometimes you'll be on sets where there's a stylist and they'll have jewelry. Not every time does that stylist clean off those earrings. You should carry with you sanitizing wipes. These are actually just alcohol prep pads that you can find in like first aid kits. You can buy a giant pack. This is a pack of 100 that I got at Walmart for like $2, I think. And carry these little alcohol prep pads with you. And not always are the things that are going into your ears clean. So if you have this on you at all times, you can just take it upon yourself and clean the earring backs and the back of the earring itself before you have them put them in your ear. Now, a lot of people don't think about ear infections, but those mother suckers hurt, and you don't want to have your ear amputated. Have a bunch on me at all times, and I'm always prepared to clean off something. If you have beauty hacks of your own that you want to share with me, please leave them down in the comments. I would love to have conversation. And don't forget to check out SCENTBIRD. You may find your favorite scent or a new one on their website. I have a coupon code in the description, like I mentioned, 25% off. So don't forget to check that out and hit that link. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. And like always, I'll see you guys next time. Peace.